Welcome to VFX Switchblade, the first fully decentralized Layer 1 non-custodial wallet that natively supports sending and receiving both VFX and BTC. Experience seamless tokenization, including Bitcoin, secure on-chain vault storage, and peer-to-peer commerce for both digital and physical assets. Simple, intuitive, plug-and-play interaction on the blockchain. Installation instructions. macOS. Download the DMG file for your system, ARM or Intel. Open the downloaded file. Drag the app into your Applications folder. Right-click on the install file and select Open. If you have trouble launching the application, you may need to modify your security preferences to allow apps from developers. Windows. Download the installer.exe file. Run the installer and follow the setup prompts. Depending on your version and flavor of Windows, you may need to confirm a security prompt, allow via your firewall, and/or run as administrator. First launch. Whether on Windows or Mac, the first time you launch the application, you'll be prompted to import a snapshot of the chain. This will significantly reduce sync time. Follow the prompts to import the snapshot. Wait for the CLI to restart. Let the wallet finish syncing. If you encounter issues with launching or syncing, check out the docs or reach out to the support community on Discord. The dashboard. Your dashboard gives you a quick snapshot of your fund balances across both VFX and BTC, including a quick view of your latest transactions. The dash also displays the latest asset pricing and on-ramp faucets and includes many convenient shortcuts for most common actions such as token management and transfers. Throughout the interface, you will always have quick access to your address context switcher and a spyglass snapshot, providing real-time details of the latest block with a one-click feature to launch network explorers. Let's start with creating an address. Click New Address to create a new account or import an existing private key. Important: always back up your private key. It's essential for performing transactions with that address. For example, using a secure password manager. Creating or importing a Bitcoin address follows the same process as a VFX address. Simply click New Address and choose to either create a new one or import an existing address. VFX Switchblade supports all native Bitcoin addresses. Vault accounts. One can think of vault accounts as an on-chain safe deposit box. This is a revolutionary feature that is first of its kind and completely native to VerifiedX. Vault accounts eliminate the need for hardware wallets and empower every user with true on-chain security features. They offer an exceptional layer of security, with features like transaction callbacks and full recovery options in the event of a breach, hack, or a mistaken transaction with your VFX, minted assets, and yes, your Bitcoin. This is unlike instant settlement addresses, as vault addresses can be time-locked to settle at any time in the future with a minimum of 24 hours. This also provides for on-chain trustless escrow transactions of funds and minted assets. Now, for the first time ever in the history of blockchain technology, any user can set it and forget it. Imagine being able to store your tokenized Bitcoin with media, such as a trust, and being able to send it to your loved one on their 21st birthday, 10 years from today. This all happens completely within your control and without any third party, and of course recoverable anytime prior to settlement. An absolute game changer. Here's how to set one up. Create a password. Your Vault account data is encrypted, so you'll need to unlock your account before performing any transactions. Back up your data. Click Copy All or Save as File. Remember, your password is not included in the backup. Be sure to store it securely elsewhere, such as in a password manager. Your Vault account will generate a recovery address. If you need to fully recover all your vaulted funds and assets, this is where everything will be sent and will only be known to you. To activate your Vault account, first, fund it with a minimum of 5 VFX. If you have an existing account with a balance, you'll be prompted to send a transaction. Then, you may activate the account on funding or activate it at a later time, but it will need to be activated prior to use. This costs 4 VFX, which is burned upon activation. Once activated, your vault can send and receive funds and assets. But remember, it's not a hot wallet. For example, you cannot mint a token directly from your vault, but you can transfer any token into your vault from any account. Time lock transactions. When sending funds or assets from your vault, you can set a custom time lock. The recipient will see the transaction, but the funds won't be available until the time lock expires. The entire network is aware of the current state of all vault transactions at all times. During this window, you'll have the option to call back the transaction, which can easily be executed with a one-click action in the event you mistakenly send it to the wrong recipient or applicable to an on-chain escrow transaction. Recovery feature. In the unfortunate event your environment and accounts are compromised, the Vault's recovery feature can be activated through a one-click action as well. It immediately transfers all existing funds, assets, and unsettled transactions to your recovery address, which again is only known to you. This is the truest form of self-sovereign decentralized security and virtually eliminates compromises, data breaches, hacks, and mistaken sends, and is the ultimate insurance policy for any VFX or Bitcoin user. Domains. Domains are unique aliases for your VFX and BTC addresses. Instead of sharing your wallet address, other peers can send funds or assets directly to your VFX or BTC domain. Each domain is unique within the network. Domains cost 5 VFX, which is burned when purchased. You can transfer or even delete your domains at any time. It is anticipated that domains can potentially become highly valuable as they are unique and may lead to self-hosted on-chain websites. Sending funds. The VerifiedX Switchblade supports native transactions for both VFX and Bitcoin. Choose the address you're sending from, paste the recipient's address, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. The latest transaction may also be viewed in the respective areas on the dashboard, or can be viewed by clicking the Transactions tab, which will always provide full details, including current status. Receiving funds. Receiving funds is as easy and flexible as sending. Copy your wallet address and share it with the sender. Generate a payment link for quick sharing. Or create a payment QR code that can be scanned for instant payments. Transactions. View all your VFX and BTC transactions in one place. Filter transactions by type or address. Explore detailed on-chain data associated with each transaction. Open transactions directly in VerifiedX's Spyglass, the network's dedicated block explorer site. Verified Bitcoin, VBTC. Verified Bitcoin is the first ever fully decentralized and non-custodial Bitcoin token minted using a simple text-based smart contract with true on-chain utility and with an evergreen one-to-one peg. This means that you always control your Bitcoin, not a third party, and 1 VBTC will always equal 1 BTC. This is a significant development for all Bitcoin holders, as a verified Bitcoin token helps reduce self-custodial frictions and activates feature-rich utility for every Bitcoin. The VFX Switchblade not only enables native Bitcoin sending and receiving, but a simple and intuitive way to mint media, transact for near zero fees instantly, save, spend, estate plan, share, protect, borrow, lend, or access P2P commerce. Any user may customize their VBTC token with an on-chain media icon that transfers with every transaction. Send BTC funds to the token's deposit address using Switchblade or any Bitcoin-compatible wallet or exchange. Transfer VBTC in any denomination instantly to anyone, anywhere with near zero fees. Withdraw BTC in any denomination at any time from your VBTC token using the one-click multi-sig withdraw function. All deposits and withdrawals settle natively on the Bitcoin layer. Off-ramp by trading VBTC or BTC or USDT instead of withdrawing at participating exchanges or in-wallet off-ramps. Package any media and documents to a VBTC token, which automatically transfers when the token ownership changes. Enhance your security while always maintaining native Bitcoin security by storing tokenized funds in your on-chain vault account with full recovery features. Transact, borrow, and lend directly peer-to-peer without the need for a third party or application. Please note that a BTC balance is required to transfer a VBTC token. Fungible tokens. Create fungible tokens for your project, platform, or shareable asset on the VerifiedX network without the need to code. With customizable options, manage the entire issuance and features through the VFX Switchblade. Name your token and assign a ticker. Choose between an infinite or fixed supply, and even pre-mint an amount. Enable optional on-chain voting between token holders, virtually eliminating the need to manage a DAO, making community management extremely transparent, cost-effective, and efficient. Provide a token icon, which is stored 100% on-chain. Once deployed, the token owner can mint tokens, if infinite supply was selected. Tokens can be transferred to any VFX address. Owners can pause and unpause transactions, transfer ownership, ban addresses, and create voting topics, all with one click. When creating a voting topic, set a deadline for voting. Optionally, require a minimum balance for participation. Token holders can transfer and burn their tokens as needed. Smart contracts. With VerifiedX, you can create smart contracts for any asset and minted NFTs seamlessly. Fill out the contract details. Add a name and description. Optionally, include properties to customize your contract. Upload your primary asset. This can be an image, video, or even document. Add advanced utility to your smart contract. On-chain royalties. Royalties are enforced automatically at the time of sale. Evolving and devolving contracts. Your contract can dynamically change based on its state, either automatically or at the minter's control. This includes updates to the name, description, properties, and even the asset. Additional media. Attach provenance information and supporting documents with up to 27 individual files at 150 megabytes max each per each smart contract. Combine utilities. You can mix and match any or all of these features into a single powerful smart contract. Mint multiple smart contracts into a collection with properties and features. Launch the Trillium IDE and customize, publish, and deploy your own. VerifiedX gives you the flexibility to bring your NFTs and smart contracts to life with enhanced utility and control that are immediate, self-executing, and automated. NFTs. Once a smart contract is minted or a non-fungible token is transferred to you, it will appear in the Manage NFTs section. Here, you can view all NFT data, access details like the smart contract identifier, owner, and minter, preview, interact with, or download the media, open the associated asset, or scan a QR code to view its on-chain record via the VFX Spyglass. From a utility perspective, you can prove ownership, sign a message to verify your ownership, transfer, send the NFT to another address, sell, put the NFT up for sale, view the code, inspect the underlying smart contract code, burn, permanently destroy the NFT. If you are the minter and the NFT includes evolving functionality, you can broadcast a transaction to force it to evolve or devolve, even if you are no longer the current owner. All this gives you full control over your NFTs, enhancing their utility and interactivity and expanding use cases while enhancing real-world asset ownership and commerce. P2P auctions. Explore your peers' auction houses to discover collections and listings of assets. As a seller, you can list minted assets for auction, set a floor price and an end date for bidding, include a buy now price for immediate purchase, optionally, display assets in a gallery format, chat P2P privately without any third-party service, All bids and buy nows placed by peers are secured through the wallet fund's verification process before becoming active. This eliminates traditional auction house no-pay issues that have become systemic. Once a sale is finalized on-chain, the token and its underlying assets and features are seamlessly transferred to the buyers automatically. To get started as a seller, register your store on the network for 10 VFX. This is again burned on publishing. Create collections and listings from the tokens you own. Create custom URLs and links that can be published on any social media platform. With P2P auctions, you can showcase your assets, connect with potential buyers, and manage sales effortlessly within the VerifiedX ecosystem. Stay tuned for full P2P asset lending and borrowing in marketplaces in the not-too-distant future. It is also anticipated that users will be able to on- and off-ramp with fiat providers, in addition to VFX and BTC native coins. Validating. To become a validator on the VerifiedX network, you'll need 50,000 VFX, fully liquid and usable at any time, a machine meeting the standard specs with a static IP address, 2 open ports for network connectivity. Your VFX remains liquid, meaning you can turn off your validator at any time and instantly transact with your funds without holding periods, without fees, and without penalties. Unlike traditional mining or staking, validators do not earn block rewards. Instead, they play a pivotal role in on-chain governance. Each validator you run grants you 1 vote on network proposals, changes, and enhancements, creating a truly decentralized governing body with a 1 CPU, 1 vote methodology, where validators collectively shape the future of the network. This is all accomplished with real-time one-click actions and visuals within Switchblade. Switchblade and the VFX ecosystem offer a powerful, secure, and user-friendly solution for managing your digital assets across multiple chains. With features like self-custodial security, vault accounts, smart contracts, and instant transactions, it's built to meet the needs of both beginners and advanced users. Visit verifiedx.io today to take full control of your tokenization journey.